Hello, welcome back to Garden of Treats. Today we are going to show you our new composter called Lomi. So Lomi runs about $500. You could probably find a sale on Black Friday for about $400, and it turns all of your waste products. So you can use some yard waste, just fruit and vegetable leftover products, some of your dinner, and also some composting packaging. And so there's three different modes on Lomi. One is for the composting packaging. One is to fully break down the dirt with low heat. And then there's one that breaks down the dirt with higher heat. So it supposedly doesn't have as many nutrients. And so we are going to show you our first time using our composter and what the soil looks like afterwards. But first, enjoy this video of Bella and Wu playing, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Alright, so it lit up green, made a beeping sound, and now it's time to turn it on. So we're going to add our waste to the bucket, and then we are going to start a cycle. So this is our bag of waste that we collected today just to try this out. So I'm going to pour it in. So it's inside there. And we decided that we would do grow mode. So grow mode is the longest mode. This is the mode where it allows all of the nutrients to stay in the fruit and vegetables or whatever you put in, because it doesn't use high heat. And then that's also why you use the composting pods, because they have bacteria inside of them that help to break down the nutrients without using the high heat. Later on, we used Eco Express mode because we realized that the texture of the soil was the same and it was a little bit faster, and we accumulate so much waste that we need to get rid of it faster. And so our favorite mode right now is Eco Express. The Lomi approved mode is for bioplastics and different products that say compostable. So like if you get compostable plates or forks or cups, you can use this mode. So for this time, first time we're doing it, we're going to use these Lomi Pod compost accelerators, but we're gonna also try it in another video without the compost accelerators and see how it compares. So we're just gonna take one of these.
Goddamn laxative.
And then it says to pour 50 milliliters of water over the tablet, and then start the Lomi. So, this one. 50 milliliters is about a shot, so I ain't gonna put too much water, because I saw a YouTube video where a girl put way too much water and it did not turn out okay. Alright. So I put that much water, and yeah. There. And so that's the default mode. I gotta look at the instruction manual to see how to do the grow mode.
Hey, let's see. Interesting.
What does it look like? Does it look like the soil? Oh wow, it cooked all the way down. What does it smell like?
It really don't got no smell. You can tell this is the paper towel right here.
Oh, you put paper towel in?
I thought you did.
I don't think we put paper towel in.
So yeah, nice. This was a banana, a date, and a paper towel, and a little bit of water. It's dry. Interesting. Very interesting. That's cool.
So we are going to pour it on to our, what's this, our peach tree?
Yeah. Damn, this peach tree.
They need some water.
Yeah, they're crunchy. Apple. Orange tree.
So
You definitely need a lot in order to feed the garden. As you can see,
we only got 4 trees.
We didn't
Actually,
get
2.5.
we didn't get our sweet potatoes, our pineapple, our lemon. You know what I'm saying? But that's fun. That's awesome.
This is our first bale of hay. So now we are going to try eco mode, eco express, because the last one took 16 to 20 hours. Eco express is supposed to take 3 to 5 hours, so we want to see the difference. This time we're not going to use any like bacteria tablet or anything, just have the activated charcoal filter in. I am making some mustard and turnip greens, so we have all of the stems from that inside of here, and then some banana peels and a little bit of piece of a banana left in there. And so let's see how this goes. So I did pause it to add some celery scraps and onion scraps from cooking the meal. And so it's pretty full, so I'm gonna just let it run now. So we had a bunch of old hemp seeds that we couldn't use anymore from Marley's milk, and we put it in the Lomi. And the Lomi did not like hemp seeds very well. It's very like hard. It kind of turned into like hemp concrete. That's what it feel like concrete. Like if I mix this with water, it'll make concrete. So I'm just gonna use this as fertilizer for the plants. And yeah. It's made a big mess in the Lomi that I have to clean now. But hopefully it's not too bad. It came out really oily because hemp seeds have like good fats in them, like omegas. And so it came out really oily. So I need to clean out the Lomi big time and put these on my plants. So for all of you who are thinking about getting a Lomi, don't put hemp seeds in there or anything that's oily, like nuts probably.